Tesla just pulled off a surprise launch, but it's not the car itself that's the shocker. It's what's hidden beneath the surface. If you look at the 2026 Model Y, you might think nothing has changed since the Juniper refresh. The exterior design remains largely the same, and that's the tension point. Tesla is betting that the biggest upgrades don't need to be visible, because the real revolution is happening under the hood, and it changes everything about how you use this car. The first major shift is one of the most requested features in the EV world, vehicle-to-load, or V2L. Reports suggest that the premium versions of the 2026 Model Y are finally getting native V2L support. This is a game changer. It means your car is no longer just a vehicle, it's a massive mobile power bank. Picture this, a power outage at home or a weekend camping trip. Your Model Y can now power your house, your tools, or your entire campsite. This capability instantly elevates the Model Y from a commuter car to a utility vehicle, directly challenging rivals like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Hyundai Ioniq 5, which have long touted this feature. But V2L is just the start of the technical deep dive. Connectivity is the next frontier. Patent filings and industry whispers strongly suggest that Tesla is moving toward a full 5G integration and, more dramatically, a potential Starlink antenna built right into the roof. This does not confirm a product release, but the implications are massive. If Starlink integration becomes standard, it would solve the problem of dead zones, providing high-speed, low-latency internet access virtually anywhere on the planet. For a company that relies on constant data flow for autopilot and FSD, this move is seen by many observers as a strategic necessity, not just a luxury feature. It could unlock a new level of reliability for advanced driver assistance systems, especially in rural or remote areas. While the exterior design remains familiar, the subtle changes are focused on personalization and quality. The expectation is that new paint colors, currently exclusive to the Chinese and European markets, like the vibrant marine blue and the unique star-like gold pink, will finally be launched globally. This is a small but important concession to buyers who have long asked for more color options beyond the standard palette. Furthermore, the overall build quality and refinement of the current Model Y are already receiving high marks, suggesting that Tesla is continuing to iron out the panel gap issues that plagued earlier models. The biggest physical change, however, is coming to the interior and the seating configuration. The standard Model Y remains a 5-seater, but the premium versions are expanding their utility. The long-awaited 7-seat configuration for the premium Model Y has reportedly received regulatory approval in the EU. More significantly, the longer, more luxurious Model Y L, a version with an extended wheelbase, is expected to launch in Europe in 2026. This Model Y L, which reports suggest could feature a 6-seat layout with captain's chairs, is a direct response to the demand for a more comfortable, premium family hauler. It also comes with a larger battery pack, which reports suggest is around 88.2 kilowatt-hours, promising even greater range. Finally, there's the crucial matter of the battery itself. Analyst speculation points toward a shift in battery chemistry for the 2026 models, specifically designed to allow owners to safely charge their vehicles to 90% every day without long-term degradation. This addresses a major pain point for EV owners, who are often advised to limit daily charging to 80%. If confirmed, this change would instantly boost the usable daily range for millions of Tesla drivers, making the ownership experience far more convenient and less stressful. The risk here is that these features, V2L, Starlink, and the Model Y L, are not guaranteed for all markets or all trims. Tesla has a history of rolling out features regionally or only on the most expensive versions. This creates competitive pressure from established rivals who offer V2L and more traditional 7-seat layouts today. The question for the consumer is whether the promise of future-forward tech like Starlink and improved battery health is worth the wait and the potential premium price tag. The 2026 Model Y is a stealth upgrade. It's not about a flashy new body, it's about making the car fundamentally more useful, more connected, and more durable. It's a move that solidifies Tesla's position, not just as a car company, but as a technology platform. The question now is, with all this new utility, how will the competition respond to a Model Y that can literally power your home and connect you anywhere on the planet? If you found this deep dive into the Model Y's hidden upgrades informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more automotive analysis, and let us know in the comments which upgrade, V2L or Starlink, is the real game changer for you.